welcome back, or should I say welcome me back. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on here, but today I'm going to show you a simple makeup look that will complement your blue or navy hair and have you looking like a dream, honey, okay? First and foremost, we always prep the brows because it sets the foundation for how your eye makeup will look and gives a nice overall flow to your face. Be sure to try not to overdo it when you're applying a pomade or, just filling your brows, because you don't want to have a clown look, because that is not cute, okay? And after you do that, you're going to go back with your concealer of choice, just to clean up the brow to ensure they are even Steven. Okay, now I am using Urban Decay to prime my lids, and then I use the pad of my finger to go in and spread it out just to make sure there's no chalky residue left before applying my eyeshadow. Alright, next up is the base shadow application. One thing you want to do is focus your placement at the brow arch. Then you're going to use your blending brush and go back and buff it out. Alright, this is Jordana's eye pencil in teal. What I'm doing is I'm applying it at the crease of my eye, and then I'm spreading it to the outer corner of my eye back towards the inner tear duct. After you finish that application, when you go back, you use a shimmer gold on top of the cut crease. I'm using a shadow from the Juvia's Warriors palette, and you don't have to use it from this palette. I just particularly like it because of the pigmentation, but you can use a shimmer gold from a palette of your choice. Now I'm using a color corrector to go back. I'm going in with a color corrector and applying it to any dark spots or blemishes on my face. And guys, let me tell you, I have been drinking my water and minding my business. I've actually done 2 chemical pills on my face, and let me tell you, it just recently done a chemical pill on my faces. I've actually done 2 so far, like this is something, and honey, it has been life for me. Everybody, I don't know where I've been. I've probably been living under a rock, but I'm so glad that I've discovered it. Been sitting on everybody should do a chemical peel just to for years, peel off the. We just need to old skin to reveal the new. I feel like my skin has done wonders for my face. My application of my makeup goes on a lot smoother, and I am a happy camper. Also, something that I can tell that after I've done the chemical peel is that I don't have to apply as much foundation as I used to. Something you guys want to remember when you're applying your foundation is to be sure to utilize the whole sponge. Use the tip for under eye application and the round side for larger areas of the face. One thing to remember when you're applying your foundation is to be sure to utilize the entire sponge. Use the tip for under eye coverage and the round side for larger areas of the face. You apply the foundation. You want to go back with a navy blue. Once you finish with your foundation, you're going to go and use a navy blue eye pencil. Again, I say you don't have to use the product apply it to your that I'm using in this video. You can use a navy blue eye pencil of your choice. One thing that I like to do is go back with a brush and clean up around my under eye just to make sure there's no smudges and that the eye color is even. One thing you'll notice is that when you do that, it gives you a perfect almond shaped eye. It pulls the eye back and up. All right, when doing a contour, guys, make sure you're focusing on your cheekbones, your chin, your forehead, and the bridge of your nose. You're going to use your larger brush and go back in, buff it, and blend. Apply your powder, set it, and forget it. Bam! It's time to go back and buff it all out to get rid of those harsh, unforgivable lines. And ladies, when you're doing this, make sure that you're using circular motions while blending. Sometimes matte lipsticks can be a pain to get drier than the desert, so what I like to do is apply chapstick prior to my application to keep it from cracking throughout the day. All right, guys, stay sassy and classy, but most of all, stay blessed. Love you. Bye.